It's Bruno. Yeah. This gon' make you feel it just like I did. Once he switched and he with another bitch, you gon' be feeling sick. You didn't stick around to see if I was down. Baby, pick up your crown. You lost it when he drug you through the ground. So love, what's your amount? Do you have any to pour out, or was the glass overflowing? Never made it to your mouth. The chalice thrown from the palace. Now you moving with malice. That's what's keeping the balance. They said love was a challenge, so battle what you can manage. Bandage up all the damage, unaffected you handle. Romeo, who you ran to, died proving he loves you. All the angels above you, your family makes you confused. Say you'll find someone new, if only they knew such thing as a perfect two. Cause I was made for you, and another dude could never fill my shoes. Got too much to prove, I'm the ghost in your room who comes out with the moon. Used to create the mood, now all I do is fuck up your mood. My pulse at indirect, you call me rude, that might be true. All this fuel got me fucked up in the stool. Rapping when I was your dude, they bring me up like who? We were supposed to make it do, win or lose.
Yeah, to say that love is blind in hindsight, you see the clearer view. You ain't deserve the dirt that last goofy dude put you through. We both deserve the love, you think that concept is too good for you. We both been battle damaged, trusting someone seems unusual. You believe in me, but you can't see that you're beautiful. Keep my feelings locked away to keep me safe, cause love is pain. I'm as guarded and as armored as a Brinks truck in LA. It's hard for me to love, but when I love you, bitch, I do not play. I know you understand that, cause you're cautious too. We think the same, body like a work of art. Loving as she might be, she still meant a broken heart. You're the kerosene, the lighter fluid, the friction to my spark. You're the light when it gets dark, feel it more when we're apart. You're the thumping in my chest, the blood that's pumping in my heart. And if you were to leave me, I would die, no CPR to help restart. Push my sternum in too hard, at least I know I played my part. If they say that love is easy, then they never heard of ours.